up for the Lady Pirates. Good receive. Tolentino sets things up. Lapot!
Over the blockers, Sir Ray.
There's that size advantage mula sa Lasal, Coach Coco.
I think
Wala kang Shane Reterta.
Tarta.
Oh.
And a service ace.
It's indeed a service.
Another good serve.
But a good receive by LPU.
Tulang with a
Tulang.
drop shot.
Oh, nice drop.
And good block.
Reterta with the serve.
Very good floater serve.
Puzon.
Set up to Tulang. Easy
Tulang.
ball. Another
Oh.
chance.
And another setup to
Combination
Casimiro!
No.
Reterta.
Still serving. Shane Raterta.
Set up. Tulang. Good defense by Lasal. Tolentino.
Tolentino.
Canino!
And
And that's a point! Kaniyang mga paluan
of course,
sa ating first set. 9-1.
another good serve.
Tulang. Good receive. Tulang. Check ball. Ay,
Serve.
free ball pala.
Misreceive.
Canino again!
Hitting it through.
Osada will serve here.
Another good serve.
But a good receive by Lasal. Tolentino.
To
Canino!
Cross.
Serve things up.
Sharp serves for Lapot. And good serve right there.
Good receive.
Set up. Nice.
Oh, nice play.
Cross-court attack.
To Lady
Good
Pirates.
floater serve for Lopez.
Tolentino. Another setup. Canino.
There's just too much power for Canino, Sir Ray.
Will spike things up here in Davao City.
Good serve.
Oh, that's an ace for the Lady Spikers. Good receive. Bio!
Nice middle.
Coach, maganda na yung mga receives na ginagawa ng LPU. Another setup!
And
And
powerful.
that's Hart Bio will serve for LPU Lady Pirates. Canino, good receive. Tolentino!
Oh, running attack for Provido.
Provido! Emphatic hit. And she's sparked that early domination for Lasal.
Lopez. Nice defense.
And here comes
From the
Tolentino to
libero.
Canino!
Canino again.
And it's good. Team captain with another serve for LPU. Canino with a good recovery. Lapot. Drop shot. Good recovery for LPU.
Set up. The open hit.
Good dig by Canino. Reterta!
Pass attack.
On a great atmosphere ngayong gabi, Coach Coco.
Yeah. Dumadami na yung tao, Sir Ray.
Oo, halos puno na, no? Tolentino! Canino!
Again. Baseline hit. Net for the LPU.
Another good serve for Dolorito. Tolentino, Provido to Lapot, blocked!
But it went through the LPU defense. Nice serve, Tulang with a
Yo.
service.
That's a good serve
Another
indeed.
set up to
Canino!
Canino. Nice dig by Guzman.
Oo.
Counter
Nakabawi.
attack.
And that's good! Sal.
They're attacking the defense of LaSalle.
Lapot on the drop shot.
Another chance for LPU. Another good setup for
Toguna.
Puzon.
Bio.
One block by
Another
Lapot.
block. Oh,
And that's a Lapot again. Jump serve.
that's
That's
another
a good
powerful
serve.
serve for a good recovery for LPU.
Set
Toguna blocked!
And this time that's key. Serve. But she's giving points for LaSalle.
Oh, that was a good
Bio.
drop shot.
Nice defense this time.
Canino!
Canino. Nice dig by Tulang.
Oo. Puzon, another
Set up.
chance.
And
Toguna!
through the blockers by
Deliver a message against LPU.
good floater serve.
And a good recovery. Here comes Bio. On the setup. There's a free ball.
The set up. Castillo to Reterta. Nice defense this time.
Puzon on
Set
the
up
other
to-
side. Bio!
Oh, getting the hole in the defense.
Oh. Good serve, Reterta. Good receive.
Canino, back row attack.
But a good recovery.
Puzon, the drop ball again. The team captain.
The team captain delivers. Serve. Reterta with the receive. Lapot.
Lapot back row hit.
And a close second set.
good serve.
Good
Nice
receive.
Set up.
Oh, that's a hit.
Full attack. Good floater serve.
Canino able to receive.
Set up
Tolentino.
again to
Lapot.
Lapot, powerful hit. Nice dig by the team captain.
Oh! Will try to redeem themselves at set number 3.
Nice receive. Set up
Puzon.
by Puzon.
Dolorito blocked. Pero nakabawi ang LPU.
Back row attack for Tulang.
Tolentino, another chance to Lapot! Here comes Puzon.
Takes a lot of strength for setters to set up from the opposite side.
Lapot on the attack.
Gets the point. 2-1.
Cultural Center.
Reterta.
And a good serve. Tulang.
Tulang. Cross-court hit.
And Lasal.
Nice
Dolorito
serve by
with a good
Dolorito.
receive.
Another good set there for Puzon.
Doguna. Long shot. Able to recover for Lasal. Canino.
Oh.
On a good hit.
Over the
That's
blocker.
a spike. Energy mula sa crowd here in the USEP Gymnasium. A great serve. But a good recovery for Lasal. Canino.
Set up to
Bio.
Bio. Nice dig by Tolentino.
Another chance for
Set up by
Lasal to Lapot.
Nice defense by Osada.
Another chance for LPU. Doguna block.
Nice coverage from Osada again. Back row hit.
Back row hit.
And
Would not work.
good rally here for both teams.
Lapot
Nice.
again.
Read by Puzon.
Canino.
Another good dig. But
Bio. And that's a point.
short serve.
Tolentino on a drop
Nice
shot.
drop by Tolentino using her height.
That's a thing of beauty if you're Tolentino.
Using her height as the setter.
Bio with a good serve. Tolentino on the setup to Lapot on the back attack.
Nice hit this time by Lapot.
Dominating over LPU.
Nice serve.
Doguna, cross court. Tolentino, Lapot.
Again, nice dig this time. And that is
And
outside.
that, yes indeed, it was up. Bulacan Tolentino.
Good serve.
Good receive this time for LPU. Dolorito.
Rito. Nice dig by Canino. To
Reterta.
Reterta. That is already inside.
Serve things around for LPU. Here comes Tolentino. On the
Set
setup to
Canino.
Canino.
Cross court hit.
That rally her troops to sa ating third set.
Another misreceive. Another chance for LPU. To
Bio. What a good recovery for Lasal.
And back row
Lapot
for Lapot.
breaks
But
through the defense. That's right. A lot of festivities ahead for Kadayawan diri sa Davao.
now back to the ball game.
Doguna, that was
Doguna
blocked.
attack.
Another chance for LPU. Down by 6. That was
Yeah,
Dolorito
That's a good hit.
for LPU.
Good floater serve.
Reyes sets it up. Reterta.
And court hit this time by Reterta.
The left-hander. That's a good serve. Dolorito.
Dito.
What a great
Through the
play.
blockers this time.
Oo.
Through Sindayen.
Mm. Oh, magandang serve. And it's
that
an ace
serve is
indeed.
ace.
Yes,
Force
sir.
it.
The Lady Spikers, the left-hander.
Good floater serve.
And it's an ace.
But it hit the line.
And just like that, Coach Coco,
the
the De La Salle Lady Spiker. Fourth set. Here we go. Canino.
cross court hit by Canino.
Good serve by Reyes. LP on the attack.
Combination play. Nice save.
Nice dig by De Leon.
Leon. Pancake save. Counter attack.
And that's a
Another good
rejection
block.
between Lapot and Provido. So Reyes will serve.
Also for LPU side. And that is a...
They want to grab the winning set ngayong gabi.
They want to finish the game in short array.
Oo. Here comes
But
Puzon.
LPU
Tulang.
trying to fight back.
Reterta.
Reterta.
The cross court.
Lopez
Oh, that was a
Tulang.
great rejection. Bulacan Del Castillo.
Bido now on deck. Another good floater serve. Bio.
On another block.
One-on-one block by Del Castillo.
Second straight block. Mula kang Katrina Del Castillo.
Deck.
As Lasal trying to pull away.
Good receive by Lopez. Combination play to Lopez. Another good block by Laput.
Another chance for LPU.
Set
Del
up.
Castillo!
Del
This time with the
Castillo.
kalamangan ng Lasal. Puzon on the other side. Oh, that's a good recovery from Del Castillo once again.
Back row hit.
Dolorito. Canino with a good dig.
The set up.
Reterta. Free ball. Puzon. To Lopez. Blocked by
Another good
Lapot.
one-on-one block by Laput.
That's 3 blocks. Opposite spiker. Janet Tulang will serve.
Over received by
Oh.
De Leon.
It went over the net. Puzon. Sa cross court. Del Castillo, drop shot. Won't work. Bio! And LPU will try to force a fifth and deciding
Yeah.
set.
Lapot
Lapot
again.
blocked
Nice
by
block by
Bio.
Bio. Lapot again.
Lapot again!
Pinabawi yun, sir.
Wow!
Pinabawi.
There's that long serve. Here, LPU, good receive. Cross court.
Nice defense for Lasal.
Atureterta.
Nice dig. Another setup by Puzon.
Oh, that was blocked.
Nice
Pero
recovery
nakabawi
there by
ng
Guzman.
LPU
Bio
and
again.
Pio.
Another power
Once
slip.
again. Scoring the last.
Serving
That's Joan Doguna.
Doguna.
Del
Quick attack for Del
Castillo.
Castillo.
That was a good rejection. And chance for LPU.
Back row. Nice dig by Canino. Drop
Oh,
shot.
that's a drop shot indeed.
What a
Nice
nice. Receive by
serve.
Canino. Combination
Canino.
play.
On a great combo.
Malayo pa yan.
Oh, so Venice Puzon will
Another good
serve.
serve by Puzon.
Good dig though by Lasal.
Nice
Canino!
set. Canino again.
Not
Good flow reserve. Nice receive.
Puzon.
One hand set.
Oh, that was blocked. Another chance for LPU.
Set up. Tutulang.
Another chance.
Lapot. Powerful hit.
Powerful.
And
80 Pirates. Canino able to receive. Reterta blocked.
Nice block.
What a chance for Lasal. Lapot.
Lapot. Again over the blockers.
6.
Still a huge 6-point lead there for Lasal.
Oo.
Set up to Canino.
Drop
Drop,
shot.
shot. Nice read by
LPU.
LPU.
Another chance. Pero good
Set
receive.
up.
Canino! Another
Hitting it
spike once again. The last
down
attack.
the line.
That's right.
Salok. Yeah, Del Castillo now on deck serving.
Here we go.
Good serve and a service ace. Serve by Puzon. Short serve.
That's a good dig.
Nice serve there.
Another chance. Free ball tayo. Puzon set up.
Running attack.
Tulan, that was
But
rejected.
Canino read that play.
Oh, that's Canino and Provido. Spikers.
It's the match point. Nice serve by Escandor.
Here's a chance for
Cross-court
LPU.
Nice save. Set up for Canino.
Drop shot.
Nice defense.
Good dig by
Set
LPU.
up. Nice block.
Pero nakabawi ang LPU.
Nice run by Puzon.
Free
And
ball.
That's good. Set up again to
Canino!
And she wins it for the DLSU Lady Spikers. Of course, the first game, Letran winning it. And this time, DLSU Lady Spikers winning the second game.
Oo. 3 sets to 1.
3 sets to
Over.